Hello guys, it's Desmond and welcome to your tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at line breaks, paragraphs, headers and comments. The line break tag in HTML are used to tell the browser that a particular sentence goes to the next line. If you just type sentences in your text editor and press enter to go to the next line like you do in Word and Microsoft Word and other softwares, the browser will read it as a single line. Let's type this and see. Okay, let's save this and run in Google Chrome. Okay, you can see that what we type here and in 3 different lines is here in a single line, which means HTML does not recognize empty spaces. Even if you put as many empty spaces as possible and save it, it will still recognize as a single space. Let's refresh and it's still the same. So to send a text or a sentence to the new line, we use the line break tags after each sentence. It's a self-close tag. Close your tag. Let's save it and refresh it now to see what we have. You can see all of them are now in 3 separate lines. Now, the paragraph in HTML simply puts a space in between these lines, a space in between the lines here. Let's put our paragraph tags here and see what we have. We remove all this. Our paragraph tag is represented by P. We put our open paragraph tag. Let's close it. Don't forget your / close our paragraph tag. Just copy this and paste. Close our tag. Let's save it now, refresh it and see what we have. Okay, as you can see, the paragraph tag adds a space in between each line. This represents a paragraph in HTML. Now let's take a look at how to make a header in HTML. We have 6 different kinds of headers in HTML by default, and they are named H1 down to H6. That is H1. Let's close the tag. Let's just copy and paste. Let's go ahead and put some text in our header tags to see what we have. Now let's save all of this and see in our web browser what we have. Let's refresh. Okay, looking at this, you will notice that the first heading, that's H1, is the biggest of all of our headings, followed by the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth is the smallest. So these are different types of headers in HTML by default. The last thing we will see here are HTML comments. Comments are words or sentences you want the browser to ignore, but the words or these words will help you in reading your code or someone who will be reading your code. So in HTML, we use this for our comment. Open your angle bracket, exclamation mark, put 2 dots, then you put now your comment. This is main. Then put another 2 dots, then you close your angle bracket. This is how you put your comment. So this comment is representing, these are H1 here. Close attack. Now let's save and see what we will have. Now let's refresh this. You can see the comments that we put above this will not show in your browser. It's only to help you when you will read your code in the nearest future. Now if you just put this comment without these comment tags, it will simply just show directly in your browser, which is not what you would like to do. So to write comments, you must use these. That will be all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to comment, like and share the video.